Hello everyone, welcome to Catherine's ESL classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss extreme weather. So what is extreme weather? Well, let's get started and find out. In today's lesson, again, and welcome, we are going to discuss extreme weather, what types are there, and what should you do. Now, this is not covering all extreme weather, but these are some really good examples of extreme weather, the types of them, and what you should do when there are extreme weather events. So let's get started. A typhoon or hurricane. A typhoon is called a hurricane in the western part of the world. A hurricane is a violent wind near the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean or Caribbean Sea. Again, a typhoon or hurricane. What should you do? What should we do in a typhoon or in a hurricane? We should play outside. We should stay at home and close the windows. Maybe. We should wear more clothes. We should stay at home and close the windows. Very windy. A rainstorm. What should we do in a rainstorm? Do we stay out of the rain? Do we dance in the rain? Do we go swimming? Do we stay away from slopes? We stay out of the rain. Or you can dance in the rain. What do you like to do when there's a rainstorm? A rain shower. What should we do in a rain shower? Bring a hat, bring a bathing suit, bring an umbrella. These are some really good choices. We bring an umbrella. A flood. Uh-oh, that's a pretty big flood. Lots of water. What should we do in a flood? Stay in a safe and dry place, go to the beach, or go surfing? Stay in a safe and dry place. A landslip or a landslide. What should we do? What should we do in a landslip? Should we play outside? Should we bring an umbrella? Should we stay away from slopes? Stay away from slopes. Caution, slippery slope. Does everyone know what caution means? It means be careful. Lightning, lightning. What should you do if there is lightning? Should we play outside? Should we stay away from trees? Should we hold a metal pole? We should stay away from trees. when there is lightning? Hot weather warning. What should we do if there is a hot weather warning? Should we go to the beach? Should we stay out of the sun and drink water? Should we wear more clothes? We should stay out of the sun and drink water. Now, I want to go through this all over again so I make sure that you have it, okay? We're going to go through it a little bit in more detail. I know that you have it, but I want to make sure because this is very important in extreme weather. And some is extreme weather and some is not extreme weather. So I want you to think about it, okay? Now, what is this? Is a typhoon or hurricane extreme weather? Yes, a typhoon or hurricane is extreme weather because it's violent wind near the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean or Caribbean Sea. Now, typhoon only happens in the western part of the world. So where do you think the western part of the world is? Is it in the Atlantic? Is it in the Pacific? Or is it in the Caribbean? You think about it and you come back to me, okay? That's number challenge, okay? Number one challenge. Now, what do you do when there's a typhoon or a hurricane? Do you remember? Do you remember if we should play outside? Do you remember if we should stay at home and close the windows? Should we wear more clothes? So what is it? Did you get it? We should stay at home and close the windows. Remember, it's a violent wind, okay? If it's a violent wind, you see what's happening? See her hair is all blown? She's closing the windows, so you have to stay at home. A rainstorm. Now, would you say a rainstorm is extreme or not extreme? Well, it can be. A rainstorm can be very extreme or it doesn't have to be extreme. It all depends on how windy it is or how much rain pours. Sometimes rain is called precipitation. Remember, precipitation. That's the amount of rain that's coming down, okay? What do we do in a rainstorm? Now, if you notice in this picture, there are some people that are not using an umbrella and some people that are using an umbrella. Which type of person are you? And what should you do in a rainstorm? Stay out of the rain, dance in the rain, go swimming, or stay away from slopes. So which person are you? Sometimes I stay out of the rain and I just think, and as this child, as you see in this photo, he's indoors looking outside the window, looking at the rain and thinking. Sometimes I like to dance in this rain. This gentleman over here is kicking and playing in the rain. He's actually dancing. If you notice, the umbrella is closed. And he says, I just want to dance in the rain. So what type of person are you? A rain shower. Now you're wondering, a rain shower? Yes. So rain is like a shower when you take one inside your home. You know, the water that goes on top of your head when you want to get yourself clean? Well, we call this a rain shower, and it's not extreme weather. This is actually a very pretty picture in a town, and it is raining, and it's just a shower of rain. So what should you do? Bring a hat, bring a bathing suit, or bring an umbrella? What type of person are you? Well, most people, they bring an umbrella when it's about to rain. So that's what we do when we are in a rain shower. You see? You can still walk in the rain because it's just a shower. A shower is not heavy rain, so it's not extreme. A flood. Now, if you notice, a flood is extreme weather because if you notice, the vehicles, see this truck, and it's actually a pickup, a truck, and a car. It's inside the water, so that's a flood. It's a lot of water, so that means it was a lot of rain. So what do? You stay in a safe and dry place. I don't think you should go to the beach or go surfing. What do you do when there's a flood? A landslip or a landslide. You see all those homes? They're on a slope and they have fallen down. So what do you do in a landslip? Do you play outside? Do you bring an umbrella? Or do you stay away from slopes? You stay away from slopes. I hope you remembered that. Remember, caution, slippery slope. Lightning. Can everyone say lightning? Lightning. What should you do if there's lightning? Remember, you don't want to hold on a metal pole. You'll be electrocuted. If you play outside, well, I guess you can, but it would be dangerous. I think you should stay away from the trees. No trees when it's lightning. Hot weather warning. It's summertime. It's starting to get very, very hot. Now this is extreme weather. Remember, hot weather warning, that means it's extreme. And what do? I don't think you should go to the beach. I don't think you should wear more clothes. You'll be even hotter. I think you should stay out of the sun. Drink water. You see here? Stay out of the sun. This is the shade. And drink lots of water. Stay hydrated. Drinking water means you are hydrated, okay? Now the challenge for you, can you name other types of weather? Can you name other types of extreme weather? And what should you do? You take over and do the challenge. Well, thank you for joining Catherine's ESL Classroom. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.